Paidbah nongshong ke Jylla Meghalaya khamtam kiba nongkynong Shillong haka sien ke kong kila sakhi dalai jongki khmat rukomnya kali haka rukom ke Pynshoh Biej pekai namar ke rukomnya kamlong kumba nya Paidbah haki surok kali beman kasngi hendai ke khamper bat kebala benbu haka jingma bat keba lei-lei ru na pedeng JONGKI ki pet Khubor pemde ban persang namar kala banwanra jingman saw ya kini kelempung peninam la perlong da ke Meghalaya Motorsports Society ringkat ke Jingtbit bat ke Shipai Assam Rifles light core bat ke bala kersan ya ke Jylla da ke Company JK Tyre la perlong haka kendai trik mentau benaya yong arajar arpusan haka kot jongkatnat Assam Rifles ke badan light core la kawe lama ya kini ke Ñiah kali ban peni ya ke Jingtbit ba ke Riew Shemphang Ñiah kali bat Thuk-Thuk kentop ya ki formula 4 the Director General Shipai Assam Rifles Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera ringket Head of Operation jong ke Company JK Tyre Motorsport Hari Singh hakaba kinongnya kibala Shemphang haru kata-kata kilapan ya kesap nya kali jongki kejingnya ya Thuk-Thuk bat ki kali red kibal tep kum ki go cutting kibalanya ki arngot ki habred kibadang khatwais nan kerta.
The DC is here with us and Meghalaya Motorsports Association. It's been wonderful to collaborate with you all. Collaboration which is positive and with happiness, especially sports, is a wonderful thing. And Assam Rifles have been collaborating for many years to bring joy to people through various events. I'll not speak much. The weather gods have been kind now. So let's get the tires rolling and wheels moving. So I declare the festival open. I wish the spectators especially enjoy the skills of the drivers, and let's have a good ride now. Thank you very much.
And from Khubor here in the circle. Exercise caution and do not try in the street. These are professional seasoned truck drivers. Another car is approaching on your two, followed by another 2 of these cars. Big horse in the car behind, only on 2 wheels. You can see everything inside the car from this angle. The driver on the Formula 4 race car. That you put for us, the people of Shillong. Thank you very much. Would you guys like to say something maybe to the crowd? Let me come there. Alright, Jaden, you are a local lad, you are a local Shillong boy. What do you have to say to the crowd here?
Hello everyone, thank you for coming. It was a lovely crowd and seeing you all when I'm driving and so fun. It was my dream one day to come and drive a Formula car in front of my home crowd. And we will be here, drive Formula 4 which I've won in is truly a blessing. And I'd like to thank JK Tyre and RPPL for the opportunity. And obviously without you turning up, it wouldn't be half the event. So thank you so much for being here.
Kani ta ngatrai kadika sing benikong bagi yo company judge bawan sini ki especially gini kali F4 kumbangi ita ka speed jongki ta kumbangi pej hapo phone TV bat kini bangi pej hapo bi banta mar khmat hi ka compare I mean ka speed and ka technicality ma ki kum on pareng ba bakin nya am ka kham internet and kham pair hi and especially gini ki drift cars namar bangim ju kami mozat man kapor ngi iru de ba lakaya phone ni bangi hapo YouTube ka karkomnya karkom ka skill jongki bakin control kat ni kali bahaya kat ni ta kai tenat kan kawai nakini kadai benikong du kadai ka equipment mah kitiar ngi namar ba actually baru ki sport ngilang duna ya kata ta ba kitiar bangi pat ki equipment bangi pat don namar ba ban lakai kini ru dam daira bala sponsor dan ni namar kiram kitiar lakai so ako kindi bakwa ta ngatrai habdan initiative ina po ka government bakin sponsor namar ba ngipet bah komentaru kibun kini kibasinya kali bayamnya baik siapa off road and kata kini badan ki jaka ban practice melakai hi kini dan ki events khambun and di badan ki jaka bakin practice bat man kapor ba peli bat jan man kasngi tengah trai sadon ki sabun ki ban yu ban wan khmat.
Well, as you can see, it's been a grand success. The crowds have gone crazy. Shillong has, really enjoyed this show today. We have the drift cars, we have the Formula 4 cars, the Indian Racing League cars, the bikes and the JK Tyre stunt team. Everybody's gone crazy. On the go-karts, we had Rehan and Rohan, the 11-year-olds performing on their go-karts. Then we had local lad Jaden Parriott on the Formula 4, Sohail on the Formula 4, Rohan Alva as well on the IRL. In the drift cars, we had Sanam Sheikh on the Drift King and Ashwin, champion drifter himself. There he is. And then on the stunt cars, we were 4 of us, myself, Sunny, Bobby and Sanam. Absolutely, we'd love to come back, provided we get invited.
Cái best bama ka long promote ya way ka motorsports ni Shillong. Te sngohon ba ka way. Kung yangi into as this later like bangi sngotanat kung gini jat sngo hun man same ha ken. Hoi la ji la le ha SBT. Hoi la yi mar khmat. Anh này cái đi second bằng cái Sanam second từ drift king itu dia ba long kowe long smutan nata yo ka jing honu kowe yo i gini kali but itu ki professional drivers mah kata hi.
Yeah, I'm Ashwin Singh Takyar from Delhi. We're in Shillong. Shillong has been wonderful. Seriously, the warmth that we have gotten over here, it is amazing. The car culture over here, I'm absolutely amazed. Had a really fun time over here. Seriously. Amazing. I've never seen such a place. It is so beautiful, and the best part is that people are they're so welcoming and they're lovely people. Yeah. I'm always satisfied with the track because I can drift anywhere. Firstly, don't practice on the roads. There are tracks for that. You can, we need to, manage our resources, and we also always practice on the track. So that will be my only, safety measure, that never ever do stunts on the road. It can be very dangerous for you and for bystanders and other people on the road. So actually, we also didn't, that is no excuse. You have to find your resources. You could just gotta hit people up who are doing this on Instagram, and you will learn from them. They will always guide you. Trust me. I wouldn't lie, it is a very expensive sport. I used to wear really expensive clothes. Now I am, just wearing shorts and, I'm just kidding. But yes, it is a very expensive motorsport, unfortunately. But I hope with the motorsport boom that's coming, things might get cheaper. You never know.
Come back.
Obviously, what's not to expect? I will come back.
How do you like the crowd?
Crowd was amazing. They were cheering for us, and it gave us really good motivation. I was really happy, and the crowd was perfect. Thank you sir.
Yang ni apa Meghalaya? Yang puji wa menur wa kan ya JK Tyre mo kan ya ke? Oi. Kalau ke ba internet bat ke ba. Pynshoh Biej saya ki nong Meghalaya ma ki puji kan ke Jylla khai ko man ya apa Meghalaya jong. Ba na khamil ji ba la se bagi ni ki nong wan ni le ki pa jong ki babun ko ni le se hai por ke ban man ke nang bun ki par company sai ke nang pha hai ban ni le khai biang ki jaka ni. Kani kalau hisya ke ba promote khna samla jungi bat rei phire ban simkhia ri ka rei ban long sport harus sorok ba kani ban long ki jaga ki bala bu khna ke sarkar ban pile akai rei ban yele akai kum ki di jai le akai mele akai sorok ba makalong ke ba ban pensra ban poisa ke jing pensra.
It's just superb. The crowd, the people, it's crazy out here. This is my first time over here, but I would want to come back again and again. I want to be here. The crowd, the weather, it's just lovely. It was raining in the morning, now the sun is out, everyone's enjoying. It's beautiful out here. And the venue is just wonderful. We're really thankful to the Assam Rifles for letting us do all this stuff over here. Last year, we did this kind of an event in Srinagar and Bangalore. And then we thought, why not we go everywhere and let the crowd see, because the people out here, the young generation, they cannot come everywhere and watch us. So we have come here. JK Tyre has come here with this whole circus is what we call. And we are performing here, crowd is loving it, we are loving it. If the crowd loves us, we love that. All three different, this is the third state, altogether a different experience in every state. Over here, the crowd is a lot, the count is a lot over here. Other two states, yes, again the people were enjoying, everything was there, but the number over here is just superb. I don't know from where all the people are coming here, but everyone is enjoying and we are enjoying the count, the number of people out there.
Any plan to come back?
100%. If it was me, I would come here every month, but from JK Tyre's side, I'm sure we'll be coming here every once a year.
Yeah, today's event actually it was a very nice event, and most of the experienced drivers from all over India has come to participate. And the best part we could see is the senior most driver was Hari Singh there, and I've seen him several times in rally participating. And today we got to see them live, and even our kids are happy to see them live, and that's kind of a motivation for everyone in Shillong, and we all are motorsports guys, so for us it's obviously a big event. It's like a festival for us. Yeah, sure, it should happen. It should keep happening actually. Thank you.
The managing kumtamo Company JK Motorsports event kamde something belong formal. The ngi le kumno ngi long kat bayahap mo kum kasin beneng rugim laban ong namar bakade bi sabar. The managing ka slap ngi layo ngi lakham dili no klam yo apan sedang dang kloy ke show. And reba I'm happy ba all the stunts everything went well. The crowd was very patient. Ki brio ki long ki biang ha ki ai ne ki syak bat ngi. And ki klam ya mi palat ya ka barricade bangi la boru su tunat ba nama kini brio bawan na baru ki ong ki tunat ba ki oi ba ki brio ki yang me ka jaka badi ban yang ban pe ya ka show. So I think so far kata it was a successful one. Tingi hingidan saka round 2 menta ban should display kandiat with the the power of the engine, the fire coming out of the kading bami na po ki exhaust te ki Paidbah kilak bon hi kala khamlong jingjar kandiat tangba shubyang hi baka jaka ka he tingi laban manit ki kilak bon ma ki bre ki bawan. So I hope hadian mentaro hadian shikentangin sa sedang biang te kin nangdon ki Paidbah ban ya petkai. Te kani kala long menta si sien te ngi kermen baka government kan support biang ngi kermen baka jeki kan tre ban wan biang shnong jong sa sien namar baki bri jungi ki don kata ka akor ka buram bakin yang be hajaka bade kim penwet kim ai te long ngir ngi yai kermen ba kin sa wan biang hi sa sien la dangila ban tie up biang baka government te mut next year ngim sadon be kan ka we ka round hang ni like kumni ban entertain yaki.
Please take care of the track.